with a calm fire inside. Every memory feels like it's drawing me past the moments of what we used to be.